There are a lot of ways to make money online using your smartphone. So I don't want you to just stay and while I wait time for nothing. Get your hand and something. Learn a digital skill. You can learn one, you can learn two, you can learn all. Friend, are you looking for a digital skill for you to learn to earn money on the steady? Look no further, because in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 digital skills that you should acquire and earn money on the steady when you have acquired them. And I'll be talking about them, and if you learn it and apply, in fact most of them you only need your smartphone. If you are looking for tech skill to acquire which you can do with your smartphone and earn money, then I'll have some recommendation for you. So stick to this channel as I will be introducing them one after the other. And in this channel I teach on how to make money online through various legal means. So if you want to learn them, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so that each time I drop a new video, you will be among the first people to see it. Without wasting our time, let us go into today's video. I'm going to be showing you 5 skills that if you learn them, you'll be earning money on a steady from the net. One of the skills I want to share with you is graphic design. Graphic design is a skill that can never fade. As long as human exists, graphic design will be on a high demand. As long as technology keep increasing, idea keep expanding, and business keep expanding, business keep popping up, you will see that there will be need for graphics design, because people will need graphics for their product packaging, they will need graphics for their logos, they will need graphics for their labeling, they will need graphics for, in fact, even clothes, you will need graphics. So everything, every product, everything about human is about graphics. So if you have graphic knowledge, you'll be earning money on the steady. You can design graphics as a freelancer. A company can hire you and place you on a monthly salary, which you will be designing graphics for them. I have seen people working as a graphic designer and they are doing very well. So graphic designing is very profitable skill for you to learn, and you can do it with your smartphone. Okay, most of the graphics you can do with your smartphone. So I want to recommend, if you want a graphic design tool that you can use your smartphone to design, I will recommend Canva. If you click on this link, you will have access to this tutorial that shows you how to get started with graphic designing on Canva. So graphic designing is a very profitable tool. You can work anywhere. Okay, you can work anywhere that need tech. You can also be on your own, establish yourself. People will be sending work to you, like you can people will be sending work to you on a steady. People come to you on your online, you will see that people need graphics for something or the other, and you do for them and deliver to them without getting to see them. They transfer the money to you, you transfer the soft copy to them. Graphic design is a very profitable skill for you to learn, and you can start with your smartphone using Canva. Another skill that I want to show you is video editing. Now Nigeria is among the countries that are eligible for Facebook and Instagram monetization. So you can see that, and Nigeria is a very creative country. Everybody is trying to make use of this opportunity. And because of that, it's not everyone that wants to do content that knows how to edit their video. So the demand for video editing will increase per day. People will pay as much as 100,000 to 150,000 or more for you to be editing videos for them. Okay, so if you can acquire the video editing skill, it will help you to make money online. And most of this video editing, you can do it with your smartphone using InShot, using CapCut and other mobile apps. You can edit stunning videos using this app and get paid online. You can also register in freelancing websites, and you see foreign clients looking for these skills. Okay, both the graphic design skills that I mentioned before and video editing, you will see foreign clients and even your people in your country looking for people who can edit video for them, and you will get paid. So by that, you will not lack money. And another skill that you can use your phone to make money online is social media manager. People are busy, people are engaged, people get married, people get jobs, people get engagement day by day. So the need for social media manager keep increasing. People are looking for people who will manage their accounts for them. Companies are looking for people that can manage their accounts for them. If you go and learn social media management, you'll be able to be fully employed. The good thing about it is that if you do it as independent person without being engaged fully in a company on a salary, you can do it as they get to you, and you can handle more than 5-10 companies depending on the demands of the job. And even though you have to do more than 10 companies, all you need to do is to open your own mini company. Okay, you can open your own mini company, get other people, train them. When jobs comes, you tell them, this is what I want you to do, this is what I want you to do, I want you to handle this account, I want you to, before you know, you are making real cash. Because when you are good at it, people will always come. Another person will say, who is managing your page, who is managing your account, who is managing your social media account? And people that you have satisfied will be able to tell their friends or their colleagues, this is the person. And before you know, they bring jobs to you and you keep making money. So social media manager is a very nice skill for you to go and learn. I've been a social media manager for a while, and I have some experience in it. At the time, I was managing up to 5 accounts at a time, creating contents for them, and it was an awesome idea. So it's something that will keep you engaging, will keep your mind sharp. So social media management is very lucrative business to go into, or it's a very lucrative skill for somebody to learn in 2024, because as technology keep expanding, people will need people that will be managing their accounts for them while they attend to other businesses. Somebody that will be always be there to answer their clients, answer their emails, answer their chats, respond to comment and the rest of the thing, and they are paying you for it. So those are the 3 skills that I have recommended to you. So the next skill I want to introduce to you is content creation. If you go into content creation, you will make money. You can start with your smartphone. Like me, I am using this phone. This is the phone I'm using. Okay, so you can start with it. You don't need to wait until you have money to buy iPhone. If you have this is Redmi 13C. If you have it, you'll be able to, you can see this video. I should have shown you the phone by itself, but It is what I'm using for the recording. That is why I have to show you the carton. So if you have it, you can use it to create content. That thing that is in your mind, you create a YouTube channel, you create Facebook page, you create an Instagram account, you create X account, TikTok, and you begin to create content. Record yourself, say the things you want to say, sell yourself, and post. You can make money. When you get monetized, you can make money. If their content go well, it can blow, and you become a very big person. People will be desiring to watch. So content creation is very, very good. If you can go into it, you will really make money. People are cashing out, people are making money from it. You too can do it. So I will encourage you to go into content creation. The last but not the least is for you to be performing tasks online to get paid. You can go to software websites. There are software websites that you can do with your smartphone. If you look at this video, I introduced Premise. Premise is one of those software apps that you can download into your phone, sign up for free, and start earning good money from it for free without investing anything. All you need is your time, your data, and your ability to do the simple tasks that most of them take at most 10 minutes. You are done and you are cashing out real good. So you can do survey tasks and get paid online. You can also do affiliate marketing. Okay, you can go to like a company like Amazon, apply to be their affiliate marketer. They will generate a link to you. If you want me to do a video of the process to get started, please drop it on the comment section and I will do a video on how to go about it. So that is it. You can also go to other companies. There are people who are actually looking for people that will help them sell their products. And if you do that using their smartphone, promoting it on your WhatsApp status, Facebook story, and the rest of the places you promote it, people buy it. The more they buy it, the more commissions you make. There are a lot of ways to make money online using your smartphone. So I don't want you to just stay and while I wait time for nothing. Get your hand and something. Learn a digital skill. You can learn one, you can learn two, you can learn is wasted. As the world is revolving, those things will become useful to you. Sometimes you may not even need to work for somebody, you use it for yourself. There was a time I was creating stories, folktales, animated stories for people, and I was earning money from it. And when I didn't work with them again, I created my own and my channel is growing. So you can see, you can also use the knowledge that you have to do something for yourself. I believe that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please drop a comment in the comment section if you have learned something from this tutorial, and subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing so many things that will help you to make money online to you on this channel. Thank you very much. My name is Isaac and you are watching this from Digital Dynamo. God bless you. Bye for now.